If you're looking to get data from your local databases, you'll need a data loader. It's an app that securely handles the data transfer between your database and ClicData. Start by accessing the Data Loader Explorer. Click on Add New to create a data loader. Copy the security token. You will need it for the next step. Then download and install the data loader version that matches your operation system. Execute the app and click the settings icon. Now paste the security token that you've just copied in the previous step. If you're using a proxy, you can fill out the fields on the right. Otherwise, leave them blank. In this example, you can see the Windows Service 64-bit version. Mac and Linux versions are very similar, but you can check our documentation in the description below if you need more details. Now, back to your account, the status of the data loader is green, meaning the connection is active and you're ready to use it. In your connection settings, you can now select the data loader. Enter your credentials and you're done. Create a new table using this connection. Type your query and load the data. And that's it already. Your data tables can now be used in all ClicData modules, such as data flows, dashboards, reports, and more.